everyone, welcome to day 2 of us being at Dreamforce and sharing the latest updates and insights with you. So Vijay, for today, I have multiple questions for you to
Sure.
answer. Number one is like in the Agentforce keynote, this was said that there is a lot of AI first mentality which is coming into the picture now. But what does that really mean in practice?
So that means is you start thinking about AI from day one itself only. With the use case itself only, you start thinking how would I be able to leverage AI in particular this use case. You need to start thinking from the data perspective. You need to start thinking from your process, from your use case perspective itself. How AI will be fitting in, and also keep in mind the governance as well along the way.
Okay, all right. I think that really answered my question. My next question to you is: today we saw industry-specific keynotes a lot, like financial services, and how does looking at Agentforce through an industry lens help businesses get more value?
I would say, look at it from a lens of an industry-specific use case. Helps businesses get more clarity quickly.
Okay.
Like, how is it that we will be able to leverage it? What are the various use cases that you can simply start doing it? So now, looking at something and seeing how it relates to your industry and going through it, it gives you clarity from just looking at it, and then it also gives you the perspective. Okay, I can do this as well. I can do that as well.
Wow, that's great. All right, and my last and final question to you is: Salesforce is embedding AI into everyday tools like Slack to supercharge productivity. How do you see this transforming the way we work?
You will be more productive. You will be saving a lot of time. So yeah, that's the one biggest, I would say, change or I would say effect that I would be feeling.
All right. So that's it from our side. If you have more questions around Salesforce, Agentforce, and how you can really implement it in your business, make sure you reach out to us and we'll help you in whatever manner we can. Thank you.
Thank you.